Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I'd like to show you the field test result of GalaxyWatch46mm and HuaweiWatchGT2. I have tested for StepCounter and calorie and SleepTracking. I did another comparison for these two, so you can check it from the description. So the first is StepCounter. I wore these two watches including Mi Band 2 as a reference to be more fair. Green is Galaxy, orange is Mi Band, yellow is Huawei GT2. I did it for 6 days and the average is here. As you can see, Galaxy always count more than other two. In average too. While the Mi Band counts less than other. And Huawei GT2 in the middle. I think this is not the accuracy difference, but just the setting difference of sensitivity, I guess. So next is calorie. Thanks to sensitivity of StepCounter of Galaxy, it showed me the bigger calorie sometime, but it's a bit, just a little difference in average. So I think the calculation is adjusted, I guess. While Mi Band 2 always calculate calorie very small, and Huawei GT2 in the middle as StepCounter. Next is sleep tracking. I did it for 6 nights and average here. Each day it includes a Galaxy bar graph, Mi Band 2 and the Huawei GT2, 3 bars per day. And deep blue is deep sleep. Purple is light sleep. Light blue is REM sleep. And Mi Band 2 don't have REM sleep detection, so it only shows deep sleep and light sleep. As you may be aware, Galaxy always show me small deep sleep in average too. So the total sleep time is smaller than other two. So I guess thanks to sensitivity setting of the Galaxy, it detects my sleep shorter than the other, especially for the deep sleep. Detecting more move, counting less sleep. So in the end, StepCounter for me, Huawei GT2 show me in the middle, so I think this is comfortable to me. And sleep tracking, Huawei GT2 can show me the enough deep sleep and reasonable total sleep time. So I think from these two results, Huawei GT2 is comfortable to me. Again, this is very personal testing, so please take it as just a reference. Thank you for watching my video. I will do another comparison and upload. So if you like this video, please press good button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.